everybody, Asang Filipina again, it's me. So I'm gonna put lotion in my feet, and then I have a phone with me and also this book. So this book is a 7 steps to effective public speaking. Since my English is limited, so I need this one. My English is limited, so first I'm going to rub the lotion in my feet. So I kind of shouting here. I did not use microphone. So my tuna polish, still blue. Okay. Just want you to enjoy watching my beauty. This is a new book. So how are you everyone? So I have some shorts video I prepared for you, and if you want a custom video, message me to my Gmail account. And also if you want to watch more driving videos, you can also join my membership. And then for this week I'm going to make a video driving. Just wanna see what's inside in this book. So okay, you can also join my Patreon. So I'm going to upload new video this week. So I need to remove my tuner polish. Later I'm going to change. So I think I'm going to change red. I'm going to change my tuner polish later. Inside looks dry, so I'm going to add lotion to moisturize my feet. It's cloudy here, and I hope you enjoy my background. It's this one is full of worms, and this tree is more flowers, if you can see. It's quite good book. I bought this one at Cebu City Ayala Mall. So it's Goodwill. So I'm just gonna read what's inside. Just gonna jump into it. So it's kind of cloudy here. So later on I'm going to wear some sandal. So for now I'm gonna just look what's in this book. So okay, I'm going to check my phone. Sabi, ato na ka. Ang kwarta na dito, Bik. So okay, then how do you like my toenail polish? So I think I have to change this because it's getting older, and I'm not going to do this gel polish next time. I'm just gonna do soft gel because it's easy to remove And I have an remover here, nail polish remover, so I'm going to do that after this video. And then that's all for today. And then with my outfit, I'm going to wear a matching shoes for this dress this outfit. So that's all for now, and I'll see you next video. Love you, everyone.